Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and creativity. Today, we're exploring a topic that's both intriguing and a little controversial: the art of changing faces in images and videos using cutting-edge AI tools. Have you ever wondered how those jaw-dropping deepfake videos are made? Or perhaps you've seen a viral clip where someone's face is seamlessly swapped with another, leaving you questioning reality itself. Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transforming any face, yours, a friend's, or even a celebrity's, using some of the best free deepfake tools available today. Part 1. VidWood AI Photo and Video Swap. The first site we are going to look at is called VidWood AI. To begin, just write and search VidWood AI on your browser and select the first option, VidWood Photo. AI Face Swapper helps you create realistic face swaps with a simple click. You can use it to replace any face in photos to create surprising face swaps. With the deepfake AI technology, VidWood AI Video Face Swap free online tool can seamlessly and instantly change faces in videos with anyone else. Select the Photo Face Swap icon, then upload your desired image. After that, upload the target photo. After that, click Swap Now tab to create your image. Lastly, to download it, click the Download button to save it to your device. Here is the completed face swap along with an additional example I created using the same process. Now let's attempt to use this AI deepfake tool to swap faces in a video. Select Video Swap icon. Upload your video. Next, upload your target photo. Finally, click on the Swap Now button to create your video. This is the outcome generated from this AI tool. Part 2. Magic Hour, AI Face Swap and Lip Sync. The second website that we will examine is called Magic Hour AI. To begin, just type and search Magic Hour AI on your browser and select the first option. Magic Hour is a comprehensive AI video production tool that simplifies the entire content creation process, from conception to completion. Making interesting videos is now easier than ever for anyone. Magic Hour helps professionals speed up production and enables consumers to make professional quality content without years of experience. To get started, click the Sign In button. Please take note that you must register using your Google account or create an account with any email address. Choose the Face Swap option from the dashboard. You can either upload a video file or use a YouTube URL. Click the Next Step icon after that. After that, you can upload your reference image by clicking or dragging and dropping. Next, select the Render Video button. Click the Download button to save it to your device once the rendering process is complete. Here is the completed face swap. Here's how to use Magic Hour AI to make a lip sync video. Go to the Magic Hour dashboard, select the lip sync option. You can either upload a video file or use a YouTube URL. Click the Next Step icon after that. After that, you have two options. Either upload your audio or type your script using the Text-to-Speech button and choose a voice actor from the list below. I have selected Donald Trump's voice for this tutorial. Next, type and compose your script. Click the Generate Video button after you're finished, then the Render Video button to begin creating your AI lip sync video. Click the Download button to save it to your device once the rendering process is complete. Here is the finished lip sync clip.
Today is a good day with Magic Hour.
Part 3, Mio Create AI. Mio Create AI is the third website we will examine. Start by typing Mio Create AI into your browser and choose the first option. Mio Create is an innovative AI face swap app that allows you to create creative face swap photos and videos effortlessly. Mio Create makes it simple to produce imaginative face swap images and videos. Using these generative AI tools, you can let your imagination run wild. This state-of-the-art artificial intelligence platform for original content is ready to help you with your work. To get started, click the Free Swap button and choose Face Swap menu. After that, upload the target photo. After that, upload the target photo. After that, click Swap Now tab to create your image. Lastly, to download it, click the Download button to save it to your device. Here is the completed face swap. Now let's attempt to use this AI deepfake tool to swap faces in a video. Select Video Swap icon. Upload your video. Next, upload your target photo. Finally, click on the Swap Now button to create your video. This is the outcome generated from this AI tool. Unsatisfied with these 3 AI face swapping tools, here is another example video of AI deepfake tutorials that may be helpful. For more AI face swap reviews, visit my channel.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.